Hi, I'm Cathy Jaramillo with Vertex Realty, and welcome to my latest listing here in Sun City, Summerlin, where luxury meets breathtaking views. I am thrilled to showcase this newly renovated single-story masterpiece that redefines modern living. From stunning mountain and golf course views to custom features in every room, this property has been meticulously designed to impress. As we explore this home, pay close attention to the incredible upgrades, including a brand new kitchen, spa-like bathrooms, luxurious flooring, and a 16-foot sliding glass door that truly brings the outdoors in. Plus, with a newly reimagined backyard and paid-off solar panels, this home offers both style and sustainability. Let's take a closer look. You're going to love what you see. If this home feels like the perfect fit for you, don't wait. Contact me today to schedule your private showing. And if you're looking to buy, sell, or learn more about the real estate market, I'd love to help you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more amazing home tours, and share this video with anyone you know who's searching for their dream home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tour. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to schedule a showing for this beautiful property, contact me at 702-604-0334. Thanks, and take care.